Bandaze izolo ne bendi kwenye panel, so we were talking about amaZulu akholelwa ukuthi kuyichilo uma uzolahla umuntu wesifazane, ngoba bona banalento ukuthi bona abantu abamlandelela umuntu ongumama bamshela ezihlalele, so abazukwazi ukumlahla. And then we ended up agreeing ukuthi kodwa ke ekungamlahleni kwakho niye nenza izinto ezizophusha ukuthi umuntu akulahle. Bathi yebo. Why fanele ungwastele isikhathi? Why uma ungasangifuni ungavile ungitshele? So my question is, are they doing that ukuthi bangakwali ngoba they don't want to burn the bridges, so that when they realize ukuthi it's not always greener on the other side, they can always come back? Are they using that ukuthi azothi umuntu mina kodwa mina zange ngithi ngisakufuni, zange ngakulahla wena owangilahla the day they feel ukuthi bona bafuna ukuphinde babuye empilweni yakho? Are they doing that because of, are they cowards or what? Because at this age and time, guys, we understand everything fades with time, and it's allowed to grow apart. It's allowed to ukuthi ungasafili the way ufila ngakhona before. It's allowed ukuthi whatever that you discovered when you were with me, it's definitely not what you're looking for your future. So why uzofanele ukuthi ungishiye ngipending, ungishiye ngifunana neclosure and all that? I just feel ukuthi there's no such a thing ukuthi thina siyinsizwa satshelwe ekhaya ukuthi hey intombi ayilahlwa kuyichilo ini, and I just feel ukuthi mina bangama cowards. You're just being a coward. Kanti what happened to iqiniso alibulali? Or lento iqiniso alibulali, it works mayisutha wena as a person. What's wrong with telling someone uthi asamfuni? Ifana nalento uzo umuntu athi, oh, it's not you, it's me, I need to find myself. Bullshit. What's wrong with saying andisakufuni, sleep, grand mfethu, whatever that we had, yeah, and the experience 1 2 3, I am grateful of this, and this is what I'm not taking with, and all that. But definitely you ijeni yethu phelela apha. Inolento funeka uburounda funeka manje ulandelelwe. Hayibo, man up and tell me about, bruh, the right. At least at that time uzophuma kumuke uba ndizoba delusional or whatsoever. Because washo no Steve Harvey wathi, never let a man to tell you twice that they don't love you. Yekani ke lento yokuba umuntu enze izinto ezisnacks kodwa engakutshela ukuthi akasakufuni, aloku athi ichilo lokunuka.